Welcome to our advanced chemistry session. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of alcohols, focusing specifically on their preparation methods. This journey will take us through 4 levels of understanding, from the basics to the most complex, competitive insights crucial for your advanced preparation. Let's begin. Ready to kick off our exploration? At the easy level, we'll cover the fundamental ways alcohols are made. Think of this as building your foundational knowledge. Our first key method for preparing alcohols is through the hydration of alkenes. This involves adding water across a double bond, typically following Markovnikov's rule. We'll look at acid-catalyzed hydration, a simple yet effective way to convert alkenes into their corresponding alcohols. Remember, the hydroxyl group preferentially attaches to the more substituted carbon, leading to a specific product. Next, we explore preparing alcohols from carbonyl compounds through reduction. Aldehydes can be reduced to primary alcohols, and ketones yield secondary alcohols. Common reducing agents like lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride are our go-to tools here. Finally, we'll touch upon Grignard reagents, powerful carbon-carbon bond-forming tools that allow us to synthesize primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohols depending on the starting carbonyl compound. Now it's time to test your foundational understanding. Here are 3 practice questions to help solidify what we've just learned. Take a moment to think through each one and recall the methods and rules we've discussed. Good luck! Let's step up our game. The medium level will deepen our understanding of alcohol preparation, exploring more nuanced aspects of these reactions. At this level, we refine our understanding of alkene hydration. We'll compare acid-catalyzed hydration with hydroboration oxidation, which offers anti-Markovnikov addition and different redoselectivity. We'll also introduce oxymercuration-demercuration, a powerful method that ensures Markovnikov addition without the risk of carbocation rearrangements, providing greater control over product formation. Moving to carbonyl reductions, we'll differentiate between the reducing powers of NaBH4 and Lyell4. Understanding their selectivity is crucial for complex synthesis. We'll also discuss the reduction of esters and carboxylic acids and the role of catalytic hydrogenation. Then, we expand on Grignard reactions, exploring their utility in chain elongation, particularly with epoxides, and their application in forming various types of alcohols. Finally, we introduce another important route, preparing alcohols from alkyl halides via nucleophilic substitution. We'll briefly touch upon SN1 and SN2 mechanisms, understanding how the structure of the alkyl halide influences the reaction pathway. We'll also consider the challenges and limitations, such as competing elimination reactions, that can affect the desired alcohol yield. Alright, it's time for some medium-level challenges. These 5 questions will require you to apply a slightly deeper understanding of reagents, redoselectivity, and reaction pathways. Think carefully about the conditions and specific outcomes for each scenario. Ready to elevate your expertise? The hard level dives into the intricate mechanisms, stereochemical implications, and advanced applications in alcohol synthesis. Here, we'll scrutinize the mechanisms of alkene hydration in detail. For acid-catalyzed hydration, we'll trace the carbocation intermediates and understand how rearrangements can occur, impacting the final product. We'll contrast this with the stereospecific anti-addition of oxymercuration-demercuration and the SYN addition of hydroboration oxidation, highlighting their distinct stereochemical outcomes and how they prevent or allow rearrangements. We'll then compare a wider array of reducing agents for carbonyl compounds, including DBLH and catalytic hydrogenation. The focus here is on their specific reactivities and how they can be used selectively to reduce certain functional groups over others within a complex molecule. This table will provide a clear comparison of their strengths and limitations. Next, we delve deeper into Grignard reagents, exploring their reactions with esters and carbon dioxide, which can lead to tertiary alcohols or carboxylic acids, respectively. Crucially, we'll discuss the critical limitations and potential side reactions, such as enolization or reaction with acidic protons, emphasizing the need for anhydrous conditions. Finally, we'll touch upon industrial preparation methods like fermentation and catalytic hydration, and the less common but mechanistically interesting route from primary amines via diazotization. Time to tackle some hard-level problems. These 7 questions challenge your mechanistic understanding, ability to predict stereochemistry, and skills in designing multi-step synthesis. Apply all the advanced concepts we've just covered. Welcome to the ultimate challenge. The hardest level is designed for aspiring advanced toppers, pushing your understanding to competitive depths and engineering insights. At this level, we dissect the historical and scientific context of advanced hydration chemistry. We'll explore the subtleties of stereocontrol in hydroboration oxidation, focusing on the SYN addition and retention of configuration during oxidation. We'll also analyze the transition states involved in various hydration methods, understanding how steric and electronic factors dictate regoselectivity and stereoselectivity. This foundational knowledge is key to predicting complex outcomes. We then transition into the engineering and mechanistic depth of stereoselective reductions. This includes the use of chiral-reducing agents like CBase catalysts and Noyori's hydrogenation for enantioselective synthesis of alcohols, critical for pharmaceutical applications. We'll also examine diastereoselective reductions, applying models like Felkening or Cram's rule to predict the major diastereomer when reducing ketones with existing chiral centers. This level of precision is vital for advanced organic synthesis. Our journey continues with Grignard reagents, where we'll explore their reactions with complex substrates, including intramolecular cyclizations and the strategic use of protecting groups to avoid unwanted side reactions. A crucial aspect here is understanding the competition between 1,2 and 1,4 addition to alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyls and how reagent choice influences product distribution. We'll also touch upon specialized methods like epoxide ring opening and the Tishchenko reaction, expanding our toolkit for alcohol preparation. Finally, we integrate all this knowledge through retrosynthetic analysis, learning to work backward from a target alcohol to design efficient synthetic routes. We'll also consider the broader impact of alcohol synthesis through the lens of green chemistry, discussing atom economy, sustainable catalytic processes, and the environmental considerations that drive modern chemical engineering. This holistic view prepares you not just for exams, but for real-world chemical challenges. You've reached the pinnacle. Here are the first 5 out of 10 hardest level questions. These problems demand critical thinking, detailed mechanistic understanding, and strategic application of all the concepts we've covered. Take your time, analyze each question thoroughly, and challenge yourself to find the most elegant solutions. And here are the remaining 5 questions to truly test your mastery. These problems are designed to probe the deepest corners of your knowledge in alcohol preparation, including complex synthesis, stereochemical control, and an understanding of advanced reagents and principles. Keep pushing your limits. Congratulations on completing this in-depth journey into the preparation of alcohols. We've covered everything from basic reactions to advanced mechanisms and industrial applications. For more such comprehensive and engaging content, make sure to visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and to continue your path to advanced success. Keep learning, keep exploring, and excel in your studies.